Today we were checking out the Haylou GT7 sent to us by Haylou. Last time we checked the Haylou W1. This costs about $45 on Haylou's website, but this costs $29. So that's pretty much like $30. It could be cheaper depending on where you're getting it for. For $30, what is it that we're getting? Haylou is like, if you can't afford to spend about $45 or $40 on this one, well, we have a cheaper version, and boom, it's the Haylou GT7. Everybody has this, special knife they use for box. I'm just gonna use my kitchen knife. I'm just kidding. But I also have a special knife. Low latency mode. Low latency mode is basically getting little or less lag during especially gaming. So from the time you see the action, you actually hear the sound that same moment. By the way, the W1 has environmental noise cancellation. This one doesn't. It doesn't say on the box. It also say it on at their website. So this doesn't have any form of noise cancellation. It's also IPX4 rated for water resistance, so it can withstand slight rains, showers, sweat, and all that. This doesn't have anything like that. It's not IPX rated and for water resistance or anything. 20-hour battery life, 5 hours playtime, an extra 20 hours of charging case. This one gives about 6 hours of playtime. So from this, with the experience with this one, you can charge this earbuds with the case about 4 times or less, let's say 3 to 4 times before the case itself needs to be charged. So that's I think that's impressive. Let's just get inside and see what is inside. All right. So the Haylou buds themselves, I actually like the design of the case. Comparing it to the W1, inside you have the obvious ear tips, and okay, let me just point out that on the earbuds it has been the medium-sized tips have been installed on the earbuds already, and we have here the large and then the small one. I have big ears, but I'm pretty sure the medium is going to fit. It's going to fit. And then we have the USB-C cable and then your manual. It says for first time use, please remove the isolation film on the charging contacts of both earbuds. So this is the film that we're supposed to take off. So let's quickly do that. All right, put the back in. So for charging, I'm just going to use the extension, the power bank here to charge. Okay, so it's full charge now. Before we move on, I found a couple of things in the manual which I thought you should share with you guys, because you guys don't like reading. I'm not reading it, but I found some things which I thought you should know, which you'd miss because you don't read the manuals, especially if you're black. Black people don't like reading at all. You could hide the secret of immortality in a book and black people would never know about it. We'll just die before our souls realize that we've missed something big. Alright, so here it is. Avoid any contact with liquids. Do not wipe and clean the earphones or their case with alcohol or other volatile liquids. This, like I said, is IPX4 rated, water resistant. So sweat, light rain, showers, and that, it can withstand it. This is not. Something I just found funny in this is, please do not shower with the earbuds. It's begging you to not shower with them. For whatever reason, I don't see any situation where I'll be wanting to shower with the earbuds. So the tips not only help in noise isolation, they also help in fit and comfortability. Let's just do a fit test real quick right now to see how fitting they are in your head. Right? It's very difficult for it to come off. Okay, the fit test. Okay. All right. Okay, so that took a lot of shake. I have no idea where it is right now, but that took a lot of shake before it fell off my ears. For fit and comfortability, I think it's really top notch. I would give it a 7 over 10. First time pairing, well, how to pair. So take the 2 buds out of the case and then search for Haylou GT7. Okay, so it's paired. So that's, you hear a sound when it connects. That's how easy it is to connect the first time. So let's try the sound and see how good this sounds like. First impression, I can notice there is little bass or bass. I don't know how it is that you call it. There's very little bass in it. The bass doesn't sound that deep. The instruments, effects, they're all on point. They're all on point. You can hear that very clearly. They are detailed to the point. Yeah, sound quality is okay. This is just first impressions. I'll talk about it in detail in the full review. So touching it once pauses the audio. I missed it again. I'm sure with constant use, I'll know it very easily. Like my fingers know very easily where the sensor is. Right? I can just come and touch it at once. I missed this. This is the third time I'm missing it. I can double touch the right one to skip forward on a track. Right? Change the music. I don't see double touch the left button to go backwards on a track. So you can go forwards, but you can't go back. Right? Noise isolation, like I said, is doing its job right now. The fit's also good thanks to the ear tips. It's all in my ears. It's not falling anytime soon. You could literally get punched in the face and get knocked out and still have these things in your ears, right? If this is something you'd want to get, $30, the Haylou GT7. For first impressions, I think this is, it's good for the price. You're not really getting anything superb. It's just for $30, less than 200 CDs. We'll test the call features, the AI call, noise cancellation, in the and you hear the results in the full review. So before then, stay safe, peace out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So subscribe and keep wearing a mask.